for you. Going to the moon.
Hey, what up, y'all? It's KoolKard, and I'm back again with another episode. I got a new product. What does that look like? This, my friend, is a wireless charging pad for the iPhone and the Apple Watch. But it is not an OEM product from Apple. No, it's not. I found this on Kickstarter. It's from a company named Funxim, Funxim. You can look them up. It was a Kickstarter campaign. I went and I purchased 2 of these. They had a deal. And I thought it was a steal. But you get what you pay for. Remember, you get what you pay for. So I thought it was a deal. I got 2 of these for $49.99 total for both, right? And they were supposed to launch in January, and I was supposed to receive it in January. However, I just received it in March. I didn't ask for a refund then. I was patient. I was like, okay, I got a wireless charger. I won't complain. I'll just wait, right? So then it gets here. It finally gets here, and I unbox it, and I'll show you. But I unbox it, and I'm noticing that it's like cheaply made. Feels really cheap. So I set it up. I attempt to set it up, and as I'm coiling the Apple Watch cord within the base of this charger, I realized that the cord is too long for the base, because the base is supposed to hide the charger cord, but mine is too long. So the one that ships with my Apple Watch, I got the Apple Watch Series 1. I didn't upgrade because I don't want to say I don't like, but I don't care for the GPS. I don't care for cellular. I like to use my phone for everything. I'm not going to substitute it for a watch. That's just me. But I love the watch. Don't get me wrong. Alright, so let me unbox this thing here. This is the X8 charging pad. iPhone and Apple Watch charging pad from Funxim. That's Funxim. It is a replica of what Apple is going to be coming out with soon. It charges the iPhone and the Apple Watch simultaneously. Comes with a little booklet. They give you a little treat with 2 screen protectors for your Apple Watch and the packaging. And then it comes with the simple charging cable. Alright, nothing to it. Now, let me get into this thing here, because I'm displeased with it. Alright, so this is what I was displeased about. Let me show you this. So, the charging cable should come here, actually start here, and then wrap around this here, the perimeter of this. But you have to have the 1 meter in length charging cord for the Apple Watch. If you don't have that, it's not going to fit. Now, the Apple Watch ships with a 2 meter charging cord, and that's what I have. So, needless to say, I was very displeased when I got this device in the mail. This thing is a little adhesive circular thing here. Basically, you're going to stick it underneath here. It's going to hold the charging pad in place to where whatever surface you put it on. But let me just show you this real quick. Put this in here. Actually, I would start it from here. And then I would coil this all the way around, like so. Just coil, coil, coil. And I'm not going to coil it because it's too long. Just take my word for it. It's too long. Alright? But it's supposed to look like that, without this coming out. It's supposed to be all hidden within there. It's supposed to have the Apple Watch on there. Bam. Throw that on there like that. Put your phone on there, bam, like that. That's what it's supposed to look like when it's in action, minus the white cords. Now, if you tap it, look at that. The phone just slides right off. There's no grip to hold your phone on. I spent less money on a charging pad that didn't charge the Apple Watch, of course, but it had some grip on it. Now, if you want to use your ingenuity, you can take some rubber strips and glue them here, and that will solve that problem. But you shouldn't have to do that after spending $25, well now $32 on Kickstarter. You can go to Kickstarter.com, type in Funzim, Funxim, and you can purchase this for now $32. But you shouldn't have to do all that other stuff when you spend $32 on a device. It is cheap. You can hear the cheap plastic. It's pretty cheap. All right. So I'll be sending this back. I'm not pleased with it. I do not like it. But it could be a good alternative for some if they don't want to spend the $100 that Apple is going to be asking for their version of it. It's going to be over $100, I'm sure. So this could be a good alternative. All right. It's not for me, but for others it could be. Funzim is called the X8 charging pad. It charges at 5 volts and 9 volts, so it does support fast charging. You just have to find a 9 volt base, charging base, that goes into the wall. Bam, there it is. No, it's going back. Okay, plain and simple, it's going back. I don't want it. It's going back. Somebody has to pay me back. It's been another cool one with your boy KoolKard. I'll be back again. You guys, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the thumbs down if you like it, if you don't. It's all good. I still got love for you. I thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. It's cool. Peace.
Going to the moon for you. Going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets. Gold heart-shaped lockets. I'm the plug in the socket.